Hi everyone, welcome to AMSAB kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make these fluffy, delicious donuts. All the ingredients and tools used will be in the description box. Put flour and all the ingredients in a bowl except the butter. Mix until all ingredients combine and it forms a dough. Add butter and keep mixing until incorporated. Transfer the dough into a floured board and knead until elastic. Put the dough in a bowl and leave to proof for 1 hour 30 minutes in a room temperature. After the dough is proofed, knock the air out and knead for 15 minutes. Leave in the fridge to chill for at least 3 hours. Use a rolling pin to flatten. Cut out large circles and smaller ones inside. Place the donuts on a tray with parchment paper. Leave to proof for around 1 hour. With the donuts proof, we're going to heat oil in a pot on a medium heat. Fry each donut for 2 minutes. donuts are done. Once they turn into a golden brown color, melt the chocolate and dip in the donuts. Put the sprinkles. Leave to set for half an hour. The donuts are ready. Let's try and look how it looks inside. Crispy from the outside and moist and soft inside. Delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell. See you on our next video.